Hi guys, so pretty much I filmed a quick little tips on like things you should clean before selling your house. So I hope you guys like it. Sorry I didn't upload on Monday. I want to do like Mondays and Wednesdays or Mondays and Thursdays. You guys let me know down below what you prefer, but I'm sorry I didn't upload that. It's just been crazy. The house renovation is almost done. We're almost there and I'm so excited. And Bella's walking on the new floors and it's so loud, but anyways, but yeah, so there's that. But yeah, so if you guys want to see the video, then just continue watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because it is free, duh. And let's support each other here in 2019 and let's grow together. Bye guys. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you quick little 5 little areas that I think is so important that you make sure and you clean before you sell your house. And one of them is this little area right here, the little gap, the little area where your window closes. It's always so disgusting at our house, just all the dog hair and everything. But I just spray mine, and I'm just using like a Mrs. Meyer's spray, like all-purpose spray, and I'm just spraying it and wiping it. And I did use a ton of paper towels. I know some people like to vacuum it first and then wipe it. However, ours wasn't like powdery, it wasn't like dust, it was just like dirt, so it was just easier for me to just wipe it with like a wet rag rather than try to vacuum something that wasn't like powdery or wasn't going to vacuum fine. And then all I'm doing is just cleaning this window because the dogs love to sit here and look out, so it's always disgusting. So yeah, just make sure you clean all your windows so they look nice, clean, and they let a ton of light in when you're trying to sell your house, as people want bright houses usually. They don't really like the dark ones, or the dark houses when they look super dark, I guess I should say. So then the other thing is clean your ovens, people. Like, I have moved into houses where the ovens are disgusting, and I'm just using like a baking, like the baker's cream stuff, and I use an SOS pad that I wet and I scrub it all, and then I just go back in with like an anti-degreaser or something like that. I'm just using a Lysol lemon one this time, and I just finished wiping all those little areas. I am going to run my oven on a self-cleaning, so this is just kind of to get the nastiest things out, and then I'll run the self-cleaner and finish wiping it down. It freaks me out to run the self-cleaner, so if anyone has done it and doesn't freak them out, please tell me like what to expect, the smell, things like that, because I have heard that it does make your house smell a lot. But yeah, so I just took that one rack and I am going to run the self-cleaner and then clean the racks. So yeah, the other thing is make sure you clean your cabinets so that they're not like full of little fingerprints or grease, especially if they're by the stove and you cook a lot like we do in our house. Then just clean them so they look nice and clean, and yeah. And then the other thing that I wanted to show you guys that I find so important is clean your baseboards. So we're repainting all of ours. So I'm just cleaning up the ones that were already repainted, and then I'm wiping certain areas on the wall where like the dogs hit it when they walk and things like that, so it's a little dirty. And then last but not least, make sure you clean your air vents. So I'm vacuuming the fan in the bathroom. So my husband is not home right now, so like when he's home, I'm going to ask him to put it down so I can actually wash it. So in the meantime, I just went and vacuumed all the extra dust and things that was all around it just to make sure it's clean and nice. And then the ones on the floor, I just wiped those with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose as well. And just to get all clean and everything. Hope you guys like this and find it helpful. The other thing I forgot to say is clean your light switches as well. And don't forget to subscribe, guys.